Dear friends, welcome to one another beautiful concept in Japanese culture. So, before touching to the topic, let me tell you one small story behind the concept. The story goes like this. Once there was a woman admitted in hospital in Japan. She was very sick, and that time she had a dream that she died and stepped into the unseen. There, she started being questioned. The question was, "Who are you?" To that, firstly she replied, I'm the wife of this guy." Then she hears the same question again. This time she answered, "I'm the mother of a child." Heaven asked her again, "That's all right, but who are you?" She replied, "I'm a teacher at a school." Heaven asked again, "That's all right, but still the question is not answered. Who are you?" This time she thought a lot and answered that I'm a woman who loves everyone in the house and also love my job as a teacher. Heaven is satisfied with this answer, and a woman wakes up from her dream. In this dream, she understood the purpose of her life. She understood the reason for her happiness. After the incident, she started taking more care of her family and started loving her job more. This happened in Japan at Okinawa Beta. This story got analyzed further and then took a birth of this concept called Ikigai. Ikigai is a Japanese way of living a beautiful life. Ikigai means to finding out a reason for good well-being. Something that you really enjoy doing, you get paid for it, and also the world needs this particular thing from you. So that is all the Ikigai is. If you notice, people in Japan, they live longer, more than maybe 100 years. And one of the most important thing behind this longer life is Ikigai, because they do what they love to do. Many of us may not be even knowing what's an Ikigai of our life. So let's try answering the same question, who am I? And try to note down the answers to reach out for our Ikigai. Let me make your job easy on how to reach out or how to find out the Ikigai. Please look at this picture and understand few things. In this picture there are 4 circles and they are intersecting. It's a very interesting concept. So I'll start from the left circle which says what you are good at. So skills where you are good at, that is then out of all the things that you are good at, you may be loving some of the skills, some of the things. So things which you are good at and things which you love becomes your passion. And out of all the things that you love, only some of the things may be required by the world. So some of the things which are required by the world becomes your mission. And out of all the things which are required by the world, only few we can call it as a vocation or competency, your aptitude. And that when get paid off becomes your profession. So this is how the Ikigai is found out. Let me give example to explain this. Suppose a person named Rajesh, just as an instance, is working in a hospital as a compounder. So now actually he is finding out his Ikigai. So now he's find out the skills that he's good at. For example, he's good at gardening, singing, two-wheeler repairing, cooking, and mathematics. Out of all this, he loves two-wheeler repairing, singing, and solving math problems more. So these 3 skills becomes his passions. Out of these three things, word requires two-wheeler repairing skill the most. So that becomes his competency. Now, if he starts his own business for repairing the two-wheelers, then that will become his profession. And that is exactly his ikigai. So with this, if Rajesh opens his business, and then he's going to get to do what he loves. He will work with more energy. He will never get tired. His happiness index overall will increase, and eventually he can even earn more. Ikigai is a big concept, and there are multiple books available on this topic. There is a book in English named Ikigai by the author Francis Miralles, and also there is a book in Marathi language by the author Prasad Thopre. The books have given different examples. I am also planning to come up with the second part of this topic, so please stay tuned. By the time I release the second video, I hope and assume that you would have found your Ikigai. Before I sign off, requesting you all to subscribe the channel. We have team of people who understand Japanese culture very well, who have knowledge in Japanese business, job opportunities in all the sectors in Japan. We would like to help you all to find a better match. Our motto is pretty simple: to help humans. You happy, we smile. You smile, we happy. If you want to know something in more details, please write to us on the email mentioned in description box, or ask your doubts in comment section and we shall get back to you. Hope you're finding the video interesting. Request you to share this video with your near and dear ones to multiply the happiness. Thank you very much.